So hi guys, so we start off with our porridge. 8 a.m. She woke up about, I don't know, 6:30, gave her milk, and then at 8 a.m. gave her her porridge. She has a bit of water with it. So yeah, I thought I'll film our day, and the shops have opened today. And we decided to take the kids to Smyths toy store because obviously 12th of April, all the shops are open, so kids were very excited. Little Madam wakes up and the kids run upstairs as well with me. They love it. When she wakes up, they go and see her when she's awake and just play about with her for a little bit. So yeah, I'm taking you guys along with us today, and I hope you enjoy this vlog. Some bits will be a voiceover, some bits are not, but yeah, just enjoy. So here, as you can see, when little Madam woke up, she didn't want to be put down straight away. Look at that face. She's thinking, what are you doing, mummy? What are you doing? So I had to hold her whilst I did most of my makeup. And then you'll see when I was doing my hair, I sat her down on her snug chair, which was by my feet. And she was watching me do my hair. Yeah, there's times when she wakes up, she wants to just be cuddled. And I was in the middle of doing my makeup when she woke up. So that's why you can see me holding her for a bit. So yeah. So mummy is done. I need to put my earrings in, and then we need to get the house clean. Should we go for a walk later? Look at your rosy cheeks. Look at your rosy cheeks. Look at your rosy cheeks. Should we leave you in your PJs today or what? So you're comfy. Nice comfy day. Comfy day. So as you saw before, I'm just cleaning the kitchen. Kids are running around playing. The hubby arrives in the kitchen. He didn't know I was filming. He got a bit passionate, so I had to edit some of it out. So yeah, just same old thing, cleaning the kitchen. So here we are taking our daily walk to the shops. Kids are very excited. Going to visit the Smyths toy store because they have finally opened again. And we promised them they can spend only £5 on a toy, but then it ended up being £10 each on a toy. So yeah, they were only allowed to spend £10 on a toy. So yeah, look at the excitement. Super excited.
I'm having a dream. I can tell you that.
Alright. Let me see.
I've got a fidget box, which is not even my price that I have to get, but I can't resist it. I get in there. Has all of the fidgets. So guys, I came back from Smyths toy store and I got a fidget box. So we're gonna open it up. Oh. So first we got some mochis. So we're gonna open it up, and as well, Smyths toy store has poppets as well, and little stressors. Oh my god, look! My little mochis are really nice and soft. Ooh, slime.
Ooh, don't open it now.
Yeah.
Don't open it now. Just...
I'm not gonna open that. I got a water snake. That's really cool. I'll try to open it. Won't open. Okay. I have a water snake because I've been wanting one. It's really oily. So this is the water snake. Oily squish. So yeah. We got a dinosaur stress ball, which is cool. A sand banana stress ball. That's really cool. I like it. We got monkey needles, which are wrapped. They feel so soft. Wrap, unwrap it. Oh. These are better than my other ones that I have. Really nice. Next we got this other monkey needle. Next we got putty. So I'm gonna open the putty, and then we'll probably open the slime as well. Oh my god. Let's try to open this. Whoa. Yes, it's really nice putty, and I recommend it. I love it. Oh my god. I'll give this fidget box a 10 out of 10. It's actually really good. It's a nice putty that's, I can say it's like slime, but it's not. So let's open the actual slime now and see how it is. I think it's jiggly. So yeah.
Let me see that.
Yeah, I got a banana. Oh,
Kids are obsessed with this stuff.
Mommy.
So Smyths toy store had this whole box for $9.99, guys. So if your kids are obsessed with fidget toys, anything like that,
They have poppets and squishies.
yeah, they have poppets as well.
A rainbow
Ooh.
slime.
Oh wow.
That's That's really pretty.
So this is all the stuff. Should we show? Oh, this is cute.
Mommy, this goes up.
This is so
Wait, I
nice.
can't put this back in.
Alexi got a little farm toy set
Mommy, fill the putty.
for $7.99. We first started off telling them they can only buy something with £5, but then we
Found the fidget box.
then it was like £10.
So we found the fidget box and then there was this like big stress ball that I was actually gonna get that was £10, and then I was like, Mom, what is that?
Oh my gosh, what's
Fill
this?
these. It's called a water snake. I actually remember I had one.
Yeah.
For the monkey noodles.
This is for everyone.
Yeah, that's for a horse.
I can't put it back in.
Even the towels.
So say see y'all. So hello. Say hello. Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to another vlog. Got a big old spot right there. Oh my god.
No.
So yeah, decided to vlog today. Day in the life. Mum of 3. Shopping, cleaning,
Toys.
Not in your mouth, boo boo.
We went to Smyths Toys.
So yeah, all that good stuff. If you love this kind of stuff, these kind of videos,
Subscribe and then we can
subscribe, comment, share,
Wait,
all that good
wait,
stuff.
If you want us to buy more toys from Smyths, to review them and unbox them, comment in the description.
No,
below.
comment in the comments.
Comment in the comments. Doesn't make sense.
Yeah, comment down below.
Comment down below.
You will see her unboxing her new fidget toys. Obsessed. Smyths toy stores have them, so.
And as well, I'm gonna be getting Poppet and loads of stress balls from there, and we will be unboxing them with you. So be tuned.
Yeah. So today, as you all know, it's Monday and
No, don't eat it.
it's Monday, 12th of April, and all the shops are open. All the shops. We didn't go anywhere. We just went to our local shops. Smyths toy store, BEAUTS, ALDI. That's all around the corner from us. ALDI and BEAUTS have always been open, but Next has opened, which is there. Smyths toy store has opened. Sports Direct, was it Sports Direct there?
It's open.
Has opened. But we went into Smyths. So like the kids could get one toy only, from £5 only. We ended up spending £10 each only, but not too bad.
And I got like 1,000 toys because there was like loads of toys in a box.
So yeah.
Yo, wait, are you ending the vlog?
So I'm tired. It's 4 o'clock. I'm gonna start cooking, do other bits and bobs in the house. So I am going to end the vlog. End the vlog here. Hope you enjoyed. The kids loved going back to Smyths toy store, which is not too far from the house. You were so happy today, weren't you?
Yeah,
It was like a last minute decision to go out. We thought we'd be busy and stuff, but it was quite dead. So
what, in Smyths?
yeah, it was, isn't it? It wasn't that busy.
I'm not
I thought that. But anyways, hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you're new.
Being tuned because I'm gonna get new stuff from Smyths.
Say bye,
Oh
Alexi.
yeah. Bye. Ow.
Angelina. Oh, what's she trying to grab?
Mommy, can I kiss everyone? Bye.
Bye.